Teddy Bear, we can't sit back and watch you live like this any longer.
Your family needs air conditioning, Ted.
Not this again. Air conditioning is overrated.
I don't even recognize you anymore.
We're designed to acclimate to the weather, Mom. That's what sweat's for.
Enough acclimating, Ted! Either you schedule an appointment with Riley right now, or I'm taking Buddy to my parents. Bye, Ted.
Martha, don't do this! I'll change! I promise! I'll change! Buddy!
You should have called Riley Heating and Air.
Martha, no!
Don't be like Ted. Get ahead of the game and call Riley before it's too late.